Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Lord's mobile app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then you come to apps list here. It's going to show for you like this. Here you're looking for Lord's mobile app or just click on search. Then here add Lord's mobile app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on for stop. Then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage this here. So then all you have to do, just click here on clear cache. So then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.